boom.
Yeah, we got them. So we're doing a designer haul of some of the things that we've bought in the last few weeks that we just feel like would be very interesting to show you guys. We've also added a bit of high street here and there as well. So looking at it, it does look like a lot. So we're going to quickly run through the video. And yeah, let's get right into the video.
So guys, we're gonna actually start with some accessories. We've got about 5 designer glasses we want to show you guys. We always wear glasses to kind of elevate our look, if you already know. If you don't already know, you can follow us on Instagram and check it out. But we always wear glasses to kind of elevate our look. So, and we kind of share our glasses in a way. So we've got 5 together that we're gonna be showing you right now. So guys, my very first one is this Prada symbol glasses. I got them in black. I've been wanting to get these glasses for a very long time. They're very cool, so nice. I probably will style this already with some outfits that you probably might have seen already, or if not, it'll probably be on our TikTok or our Instagram. But yeah, I really love them.
The next one that we got are these neon biggie glasses from Versace. So the reason why we got this really was because for Fashion Week we're going to be wearing this with some neon outfit. So yeah, that's why we got them, and they look very sick.
Yeah.
Once you wear them, they stand out.
Exactly.
They really stand out. So
I got the black Versace one and I lost them at some point.
Yeah.
And I was so pissed off. But yeah, so this is a good replacement, even though now this is a colorful one. But yeah, it's still not bad.
Yeah.
At least we got a black and we got a colored one.
Yeah. So the next one are these Gucci glasses that we got. These are actually specifically for me because I love wide frame glasses, and Max doesn't like wearing wide frame glasses. So
They're not
yeah.
cool.
Yeah. So but these are specifically for me. I love this case, you know, the Gucci sunglasses. The color is just beautiful, and the inside of it looks very, very rich. And the color I got is this burgundy one. It does substitute for black as well because it's quite dark, but it's like for my burgundy, purpley, reddish outfit, these are glasses that work seamlessly. Just look at that. They're so beautiful. I love them.
Yeah. So basically we love the glasses so much we got 2 of them. But yeah, we got the neon pink as well in the Versace biggie. I think the neon pink is cool. I actually don't wear this, Mifa wears this more, but I think there's in some cases that I'm wearing like a all neon outfit, all neon pink outfit, or you know, just wearing, I just want that bright color. I can wear this as well, but they're actually very cool.
Yeah, I mean, they look really sick on you.
Of course.
I like it.
The last one in the sunglasses that we got is this Balenciaga one. Before I picked this one actually, and I was glad she did because it's really cool. It's got the BB on the side. Yeah, it's just so cool. I've not really worn this glasses.
No, you haven't. Surprisingly, because I felt that like you would love them.
I'll be wearing it like regularly.
Yeah. So the next group of items we're going to show you guys is bags. So we got these Jacquemus bags, and we got them in pale blue to match. So we got this pale blue color because they just look very attractive, and yeah, it's such a very unique color, and we style pale blue quite often, so we think we'll get very good use of the bag.
Yes.
Talking about mine, I'm just most likely going to get Tweedy around here, just because this is like it's suede and I wouldn't want it to go dirty, so I might get like a Tweedy around. I prefer the large because the other ones you can't put anything in them, so that's why I went for the large.
Yeah, mine is really cool. I actually really wish this was gold detail instead of silver, but still not bad, you know. It's still a really stunning looking bag. In case you don't know, I carry a lot of man bags and I think I've got a collection of them now.
Yeah.
But yeah, we've already styled this for Fashion Week, so that's something that you might be seeing in the next few weeks. So again, if you don't follow us on Instagram, you know, you need to follow us.
So the next bags I want to talk about are these ones I got from Charles Keith. I got this lilac one with the gold because it's just a very, very cool bag. I mean, what's not to love? It's really, really cool. And I also got this as well for Fashion Week. Then I got this red one as well from Charles Keith. My only problem with this red bag is that I can see that over time, when you put something in it, it's going to end up falling off. I actually bought this for pure aesthetics.
Talking about bags, I also got another bag, but this time I got it from Zara. It's a very nice man bag. I like the fact that it's got a bigger band. That's something they normally do not do, which is cool. So it makes it a bit more comfortable to wear, and it makes it a little bit more casual. I've been looking for a red bag for a while. I was torn between this and I think the Man Jacob one. I'm talking about bags, guys. I also got this backpack in black. I just actually love it. I got it from Zara.
Yeah.
But it's really cool. It's got so many pockets, literally pockets everywhere. And inside it is actually really big. So it's gonna take all my camera gear, including laptops and everything. Yeah, since I can't afford the Gucci one or the Louis Vuitton, I'll manage the Zara.
Yeah, we'll start from here. So guys, the next section we're going to be talking about is shoes. So I got these shoes from Mac and I'm absolutely in love. I love the color of the box. It just looks very girly and very pretty. The color of the shoes I got were actually pink. I wear pink a lot, so I knew that this would definitely work very well in my wardrobe. But yeah, it's a lovely pair of shoes. It's Spec and it's got like obviously the Mac and design that everyone knows and love. I'm kind of scared to see how this would wear, because obviously there was this thing on TikTok where everyone was talking about this falling off, but obviously they've had that improved design here where it's kind of attached. So I hope that my pair lasts a lot longer.
Talking about shoes, guys, I've got this massive box. It's a Prada monolith shoes. They're chunky loafers, right? So these are the chunky loafers. They're very popular, but I still like when you wear them. You would know it's quite lightweight as well. And I got them in black just because I wanted to go with a lot more stuff. And I want to get a lot of wear from it by going on events and stuff like that. This will really be a good one. I'm looking to get the white one as well at some point, but they're so expensive. But yeah, these are really exciting. Right, also talking about chunky shoes, I also got these chunky shoes. They're like a wellies sort of boot. They're rubbery, but they're nice. They got really nice chunky soles. I've got so much compliments wearing these already. Like anywhere I go, people just like, oh my god, I love your shoes, blah blah blah. I got them from ASOS, which is crazy. But yeah, I love them so much. I got both of them in both colors. But yeah, we wear a lot of neon and we wear a lot of orange, so I just thought, you know what, I'll get them, and I like them. They're so cool. So yeah, another shoe that I got was these Nike Air Force Ones. I just love them. The color is sick. I've been looking for like a pale pink shoe, and I think this just fits into it very well. It's from the range Free Let's Talk.
You can tell who is the shoe person here. Definitely mad. So guys, the next one we're going to be talking about is outerwear. We've got some very exciting outerwear that we would love to show you guys. So we're going to be starting with this purple coats. I think we just literally went for it because of their color. We've been styling purple of late, and we wanted to get something that we can always style. As you guys know, we match our colors, so yeah, this will work very well in our wardrobes. I got mine from Massimo Dutti. To be very fair, I know they are wool. I think 90-something% wool. So yeah, they've got quite a bit of wool in them, I would say, but I don't know, I expect the structure to be a lot better. It's a bit soft for me, and I love like more structured coats. So guys,
I got this one from Stradivarius. We don't know how they're pronounced, but you know. But yeah, it's from the women's section. I kind of do most times when I want to get coats. But yeah, it's from the women's section, but it actually really fits well. It's got a nice drop shoulder and they're cropped, and I kind of liked it. I think it was different, so yeah. And guys, the next one I got was this pale blue, very tailored, nice coat from Zara. Yeah, it's actually one of their autumn winter 2022 collection. It's just a very cool coat.
So the next one is this burgundy coat. I got this from Mango, and it's just a very nice belted coat. You can also wear it without the belt as well. But yeah, it's a really lovely coat. We also styled this in Fashion Week, so you will see how it actually looks in person. You can check out Instagram for like all of our Fashion Week looks. But it's an absolutely lovely structured coat, and I love the color burgundy.
And finally guys, I got these nice knitwear, kind of like turtleneck-ish jumper from Army Paris. Literally love the color. Let's start from there.
Yeah.
But again, the quality of this, wow, chef kiss.
Yeah.
Perfect. Bellissimo. It's actually really beautiful. It's so heavy, and when you actually wear it, it actually sits so well. I'm gonna show you how I styled this anyway, but I fell in love with the brand, so you're gonna be seeing me buying a lot of this. They're quite pricey.
I want one too.
They got some really good ones for ladies.
I think I might get a cardigan I'll wear during spring.
Yeah, the cardigans, with different colors. The green, they got, I'm in love with the brand.
Yeah.
straight away. So guys, that is all the stuff that we've got lately. Fully you enjoyed the video and you saw some things that you might also like to purchase. They might still be out there, like some of the things, some of them might have gone out of sale. Yeah, we just hope that you enjoyed the video. If you do enjoy the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family. We're trying to grow this channel, and obviously it's a new channel, but we're trying to grow it as quickly as possible, so we will really love if you subscribe. And again, if you don't follow us on Instagram, you can actually follow us on Instagram, or check out our Instagram page, check out our TikTok page as well. And if it's something that you like, yeah, why not give us a follow?
Yeah.
And don't forget to check out our other fashion videos, yeah, or our vlogs here. And yeah, we'll see you in our next video.
Bye.
Peace.